Grammar Tree for Book 6. Verbs finite and non-finite, Unit 20. अच्छा, यहाँ पर सबसे पहले है फाइनाइट और इनफाइनाइट. आपने फाइनाइट यानी जो क्लोज्ड हो चुका है वो सेंटेंस होता है फाइनाइट, और इनफाइनाइट यानी अभी वो चल रहा है या प्रोसेसिंग में है तो उसको कहते हैं इनफाइनाइट. तो इस तरह फर्स्ट आपके पास है शी प्रॉमिस्ड टू लैंड मी द बुक. Promised is finite, land is infinite. I am surprised at the responses of the reader. Surprised, finite. I like to paint, infinite. They made me stand for almost 3 hours. Made is finite and stand is infinite. Sending the child home is not a solution to the problem. Sending infinite or is finite. If you have finished shouting, we can talk. Have and can ये दोनों finite और talk infinite. Opening the window, opening is infinite. Someone looked down, looked is finite at the procession of people. When the exam was over, over is finite. The candidates started to leave the hall, leave is infinite. My brothers and I love racing. Love is finite. When we were little, infinite. Were is infinite. After walking for nearly 3 hours, walking is infinite. The tourist felt exhausted. Felt is finite. When he finally woke up, finally is infinite, woke up is finite. The sun had not yet risen. Had not किस में आ जाएगा या had किस में आ जाएगा finite में. I have forgotten the name of the book. Forgotten is finite. I read just last week. Read is finite. Last week is infinite.